want safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I can drop this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. You know we cool when now you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I can drop this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. There is some kind of love, baby. Drip. There is the type of love, baby. Tripping on you. It's big enough, baby. Drip. It's big enough, got me tripping on you. I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. I've been sipping, that's how I can drop this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, made me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, for tripping on you. Said I admit I was wrong when I did it.
Hey, what's up my dolls? Welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I go by The Fashion Doll. Welcome to Life with Fashion Doll. So this is my third time recording this intro. I'm a little irritated, but bear with me. At the beginning of the vlog, y'all saw me do some laundry, some cooking, and I washed my daughter's hair. So that's pretty much how my Wednesday went. Thursday, I had a doctor's appointment. I had to go get my mammogram. So I'm waiting on the results, but I think everything went well. So I just want to let my ladies know. I'm reading my notes because, like I said, this is my third time recording. So I want to let my ladies know that it's very important to get your mammogram if you're of age, and even if you are underage, because you know they tell you to get it like when you're 40. But if you're under 40 and you feel a lump or you know something's not right with your breast, don't hesitate. Go get it checked out. That's very important. And then I'm just trying to give y'all a recap. So after my doctor's appointment, I ended up going to Bath and Body Works to do a pickup. So I'm gonna just show y'all the clip of me in Bath and Body Works, and then I'll just come back and talk to y'all.
You know I ain't sleeping alone, but you said that you would soon be home. But baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. On top of you not calling me back. You see, I bet you think it's all on track, and you acting like it's all of that. I'm not feeling it, I'm not feeling it. Let's go,
so I'm back. So my pickup order, they had those I call them car sprays. I use it for my car, but they had those little mini sprays on sale for $3.50. So I got spring apple. This smells really good. The pink pineapple sunrise. I've been picking up this scent lately. I really love this scent. And then I also got whipped honey and vanilla. This smells amazing. They had another sale. The body care items were $6.95 if you had the coupon. So I got Dreaming of Rio, and I got it in a body lotion and a body wash. These smell really good. I can smell the banana. I think one of the notes is banana. Oh yeah, yep. Golden banana. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just want to open the vlog and I'll catch y'all down the line. Hey, so I forgot to add the next clip. You will see me taking my youngest daughter to go see Super Mario Brothers or Super Mario Galaxy, whatever.
Did you wash your face? Yes. No.
Hola, made it to Walmart. Picking up a few groceries. No, I gotta see how much it is. Which one you want? You want this one? You see that? Is that the same color? Oh, they different colors. You like this one with the pink? Oh, no, the same thing.
Let's talk fashion with Fashion Doll.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Overall, you are a mobile icon. A legend in the fashion industry.
Hey, did y'all like that intro? I thought it was cute, but anyway. Okay, so I thought we could talk fashion today. So this is an outfit that I would wear in the early spring. Here in Michigan, it is still quite cold. It is like one day warm, one day cold. So I think it's like 40 degrees. This is cute for like early spring, depending on where you live. I know some of the girls like to wear boots in the summer or the spring. I'm not one of those people. I can do it like early spring like this type of weather, but I got this cute little furry clutch and I paired it with this black bodysuit. Of course, I'm going to do silver accessories, and then I got these cute little shorts, and this whole outfit is linked in my LTK. These shorts do go up to plus size. And then I should be able to find a bodysuit in plus size as well. These boots are really cute. They are not like big calf friendly. So if you have smaller calves, then yeah, it will work. But I thought this would be really cute and paired with like a crop jacket. And if you want to be super cute and edgy, I would throw on a baseball cap, the dad fitted. I think this would be so cute and accessorized with a lot of silver accessories. I'm talking about bangles, a nice silver choker, similar to this choker. Would be really cute, something chunky around the neck. And I just think this is overall a cute look. Hopefully y'all can see the vision. This is cute, and I'm actually going to wear this. I need to find somewhere to go, but I can't wait to wear this really soon because I haven't gotten a chance to wear these boots yet. Then we can take away the boots. And one thing I like about these shorts, you can style them with some cute sambas, a blazer, sandals, a little kitten Mew Mew. I'm just giving y'all some little ideas. So yeah, this is a new series that I thought I'll try in the vlog. So if y'all want to see me put more looks together, like give y'all ideas on spring looks and summer looks, then let me know in the comment section and I'll start putting more outfits together and maybe even try them on for you all. So just let me know. Good afternoon. It is April the 7th. April 7th, and I just woke up, y'all. I woke up probably about an hour ago. It's 1:03 p.m. I was knocked out, y'all. I sprayed my pillow down with this Dr. Teal's sleep spray. Baby, screenshot, because if you have a hard time sleeping, spray your bed, spray your clothes, and your ass gonna be out. And I'm drowsy as hell. Whew, I woke up sweating. I had took my sheets off my bed. I'm about to wash my sheets. I'm about to wash my pillows. I went and took a shower. Yeah, so that's how that went. I'm about to take my Demi Purr. I haven't eaten yet, so probably eat a bowl of cereal. But I was just thinking, like, I want to try. Hold on. So I was thinking that I need to change my eating habits. Like, I want to start working out more, walking. I want to lose some weight. And it's time for me to be really tough on myself and get to business. So I'm going to try my hardest to put in the work so I can see the results. So pray for me. Knowing my ass, I know I'm going to be eating unhealthy still. But I'm going to be doing the work. That makes no sense. I'm going to try. I'm not going to start until next month. I got to ride this month out. So, yeah, I'm excited because the photo shoot is coming up this weekend. And, yeah, I'm going to try to bring y'all along for that. What else? I don't know what my daughter doing for her birthday. I asked her. She said she wasn't doing much. I actually work on her birthday, so she didn't plan like a dinner or anything because I would have took it off. I don't know. I don't know what she have planned, if she has something planned with her friends or whatever. But anyway, we got all the looks together. Everything looks super cute. Oh, that's what I wanted to do in this vlog. I might just do it in the next vlog. We have a bouquet of flowers we wanted to put together, but I think I need to put out a vlog today. So I'm going to try to get this vlog up today, and I'll probably put that in the next vlog. A matter of fact, I probably will, because it'll be like dedicated to the photo shoot. So this vlog is really going to be short, y'all. I started editing this vlog, and I think I'm at like 9 minutes. So it's going to be a short vlog, but it's okay. I got to get my life together. I need to lotion up. Go wash my sheets. Am I the only person that goes through lotion like crazy? I just opened this bottle of lotion like, what, a week ago. And look how much it's gone already. Like, when I tell you I go through lotion like crazy, it makes no damn sense. And lately I've been watching a lot of, what do you call that? Like on Oxygen, the mystery murders thing. I don't know what the fuck it's called.
With Justino. And
okay. Let me get myself together and figure out the next step and see what I'm going to do with this vlog. Okay, so I'm going to just end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you made it to the end, this is what I need y'all to do. Check in. I need y'all to put y'all city in the comment section. Let me know where y'all from so I know where you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.